All right, guys. So we're live. That's eBay break. So we're back with some Anthology out of eBay. Fantastic. Found out a way to make it work. So let's do this. Double Anthology. Ice. Okay. Double Anthology Ice. All right. So now. So we're gonna do break 3645 Anthology 1516 double box break. So we've got 2 boxes of Anthology. Let's do this. Good luck, everybody. So we're having some trouble with PayPal today, guys. So sorry for the delay. So it is. So yeah, we're back with Anthology now. Do it. 5 decoys. Alright, so we start with a jersey autograph for the New York Rangers. Danny Cristo jersey autograph for the New York Rangers. What's happening right now? Let's focus correctly. Alright, there you go. Danny Cristo jersey autograph for the Rangers. Next, we get a third pieces. So this one will be a random between the Vancouver Canucks and New Jersey Devils. Ilya Kovalchuk and Pavel Bure. Did you see that?
I saw.
So Ilya Kovalchuk for the New Jersey Devils and Pavel Bure for the Vancouver Canucks. Look, he's gonna pick up everything. Next, we got. I need your help. I need your help for the next one. We got a sizable signatures for the New Jersey Devils out of Henrik. Yeah, for the next one. Sizable signatures for the New Jersey Devils, Adam Henrik. Next, we got a massive materials. MM14, French one? That's not a joke.
Not a joke?
No. We've got massive materials of Grand Fuhr for the Buffalo Sabres. So according to this checklist, Grand Fuhr MM14 is Buffalo Sabres. So massive for Buffalo. Next, we've got full coverage. No, you dropped things? Took things. FC30, please, Francois.
FC13?
We 30. Brett All, full coverage. So this one will go to the St. Louis Blues. Brett All, full coverage. We got feature materials for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Jonathan Drouin. Stitcher materials for Tampa Bay. And the last bit of our first box, we got own in native land autograph for the Detroit Red Wings. Riley Sheehan. Riley Sheehan own in native land autograph for the Detroit Red Wings. All right, box number 2. Six decoys. So all you got for the first one, Francois. Sizable signatures. Danny Briere. Who shows the flyer? You want to make sure. Because it's a sizable signatures patch. Number 32 out of 99, Danny Briere. Nice logo patch for the Flyers. Daniel Briere. Next, we've got a massive material patch. Boston Bruins, Milan Lucic. Milan Lucic Massive Material patch for Boston. Sizable signatures for Boston. Malcolm Subban. Malcolm Subban, sizable signatures for Boston. Next, we get a pair of pieces. San Jose Sharks, Joel Thornton and Thomas Ertl. So Thornton and Ertl's pair of pieces for the San Jose Sharks. Massive Materials MM18. Brandon Shanahan.
The Detroit Red Wings.
For the Detroit Red Wings, Brandon Shanahan Massive Materials. Next one is a Massive Material patch. Tampa Bay Lightning, Jonathan Drouin. So Massive Material patch for Tampa Bay. And our last pick is a dual autograph for the Chicago Blackhawks. Adam Glendening and Mark McNeil. You saw Mark McNeil's face yesterday, right?
You're not used to that, eh?
You're not used to see his face. So Mark McNeil and Adam Glendening, dual autograph for the Chicago Blackhawks. That was our double box break of Anthology. But we're not done yet because we've got a random to do. We've got New Jersey Devils with Ilya Kovalchuk. And we got a Vancouver Canucks, Pavel Bure. Let me switch the camera side. Boom, we're gone. Oh, we're gone here too. Perfect. So New Jersey, Vancouver Canucks. Good luck, everybody. First, second, third. And we've got on top the New Jersey Devils with Ilya Kovalchuk. So thanks, guys. And I will be back in 5 minutes with our half inner case break of ice. See you later.